Abusia so kai Ben Lord eye langa de ya wo shooting military man ekum ni wo Millennium City no me no kase court atna ne nsam ne ho ase ni nyina ne say Ben Lord ene ne nkrofo e de court anim say wo mo pe bail. Yes, sir, asem ni see ye di besi ena me no kase no woda aye kan say remind you an woda police custody a wo munya njeli no na say o munya njaje na asem no enti wode to court nanim say wo pe bail said de be ya obenya fa hodie kakra abeye ne normal because according to Ghana mara imprem no yes see all cases are bailable according to Ghana mara abusia. Say you see all cases are bailable na wumia at the court nanim say wo hwehwe bail no e dia in see ye dwumadie eye 3 in 1 news na mesramon yenkohwe de ekọ nyina before aye be hwe de see ye nature said they will see present asem no at the ma court no enabusia court no you can say response our demand about billions and semino. Yansha yansem nasi free a hase. Another report be a bremo about a conshabia I see our boss chichire initial de nipa or my initial report no. Now we see nipa insia and now work anymore with them munina ewi. But per eyewitness nini part say one kasa so sankro foyimu eyi wamono was see any nipa insia no mu ye na embum nipa mienu ena omuye den omu ya mesra mu ye ntese de osi kire nsem ne mu ede ama ye na se ye ba beto aso ewo Ben Lord aside yes on a lace corporate danso ensensem no konyo fazo kum no ni bail wo hwehwe ne court response to him ye ntachichewure akwanhye yi mu nsem embra ansa
Femi Aaron EMT Aaron humachi be 4:30 am me da hono meja ye national ambulance service nti omo kroma say no omo ni medwuma ye enti no mo frɛ say accident esi okwan no ho no mo hi ambulance enti si ya ankasa de em say na loaded ni free obo ase do se akọ kumase ena Hyundai Grace no so according to information amenya no free nsawam ena no oba be se akọ bo ase bogobri no ma fa the case ni nyama ho mo koye ye weekends ni na afi na no mo ba back enti ni bisa friend say loaded driver ni say na de ni si no say ofiri soro ho ba no no waso aben anu hu se Hyundai ne ba ne lane eti no waso aben no tisi form a no wo nchen ya na ese car no e ba ne lane ti na ma ese kwa no wo nchen car no si hia na no di hia no nti Hyundai driver no ye ba no na oda ho na no wontime no by the not to oni nechi ne de na okokra o de na okokra eti ma the creation de na okobo the creation ankasa the north front na asa atọ no finti na ono so sheka ni ma na asa wa ya hotel de yikaka na ohu de esi na ba nso hemfifi ne ba ne de na e be reactive on de bibi anya no e de ono so koe ene ye de papa no so ka ho e koe honestly driver ne de ye ba no sensen car no enti no ye suspecting spine injury as EMTs no ena me ne me friend no ye pen table bi she ne ti because that moment na ambulance ne mba enti no ye supporting the spine na ye twe ne to e form oboko enti ye hwe na ne nsa ho na e bleed at that moment no go spad bi anti de na tade na ebe e control bleeding ne ma no so ho e na afi so na ye ma no ye mfama kakra na me yonko no e BVM yes ambu bag it no ma no e kakra because no gas for e and at the same time no man mfama na me hu say ne hu na kuma ne mbobie me check your pulse no ni pulse ti na say me start chest compression no e den me man chest compression na to ambulance ne ba ya ye de me team a ye nyina ye kan ho ma ye de ne koy ena ye no ti driver na ti no so no em say ne scar no pie because na ne face no ne head no nyina swell so ho because when your head injury ne scar no nyina papa ntina ma the face na swell kwa you can't even identify the person information na circulate say nipa 6 na we na nya no kre car no they were 4 in the car driver ena the okobo decreation ne hu nipa ena the okobo decreation ne ba ena driver no so making 4 84 no driver no any the otinechi no omo na free mu because e car na e bomu o driver side o member me no young guys too any free mu the ambulance we na dey na call no e bo asi dey
abusia na kyerɛ according to nipa asɛm de si ye no obepie wo mo so anase wo mo frɛ no ɛma ne bɛbo ayɛ no wei ɛne de wo ka wo se eyi nipa 2 ɛna mo frɛ mu a nipa 4 ɛna na mo yɛ den wo mo wo ka ni mu yentinsim ɛwɔ Ben Lord aside. Yes, abusia Ben Lord case no ɛyade se case no si ye de besi ɛna me no kase no wunua ɛwɔ ye kan say wunua ɛwɔ police custody. Na abusia se wo police custody no wodi na asem akoto court wanim say wo pese court ema ne bail na wotimi eba fie se de be ya ye kan say case no be follow up from a fie wahu na emom enkoye se wo beda cells what ase. Yes, na abusia se wo dis ansemi ekoto ye kan say court animu no yankan emuaya eba ye from court. Yes, yankan emfa emamo from Ghana Web abusia. According to Ghana Web, no Ben Lord, a presented as an application for bail at the common court no, almost we and the AC. And Accra High Court on Tuesday declined tie yankan ye minim sa aha and abedasono. Or say declined bail to Ben Lord Abebio, the self-acclaimed traditional ruler who allegedly gunned down a soldier over a disputed piece of land at Kaswa. The court, presided over by Akizita Na Kowa Kwashi, after listening to submission of both defense and the state argument, declined bail based on her discretion. Not just a bushia, anka kwano akumini penny nature no, anka wakofa kwen biso, ama chese waku, yamani bail. Nanka won lie no ene chese akesesem na nanka ene wasanso abeto so aiden aye akesesem na yenhwe de ekoyinan a efa ni nsem yi ho. O say Ben Lord Abebio aka Nana Berima and one Nana Kofi Amo Jeche aka Nana Fifi are standing trial for their involvement in the land dispute that allegedly led to the death of one late Corporal Michael Danso of the Ghana Armed Forces. A compliance of the accused, one Otin and Salisu, are said to be at large. Abusinya naturally said to be at large, still now a police for Ensa nyanso wo mumu anu no. Yes, ayesa ankrofoi na yenhwai on January 23rd, High Court fixed Tuesday to hear the bail application put in by the lawyer for Ben Lord. Counsel for Abebio, who moved for bail pending trial, argued that the grant or refusal of bail was grounded heavily on a number of human rights, including the right to personal liberty, the right to fair and adequate defense, and the right to procure witness. Defense acknowledged that bail was at that discretion of the court, submitting that in exercising the discretion, the court must consider the fundamental human rights of the accused. It is our case that despite the perceived gravity of the nature of the offense, presumption of innocence still operates in his favor, and the grant of bail is an appropriate means of respecting and upholding that right. Defense counsel stressed the need for the court to grant the accused bail to enable him to prepare adequately for his defense. Abusunya yankan said this year then yes, for his defense. According to counsel, the accused was not flight risk, adding that they were ready for the imposition of any condition that the court deemed necessary to secure his attendance to court. He said if his client were admitted to bail, he would always avail himself for trial. The state represented by Frederick Adu Jamfi opposed the grant of bail to Ben Lord, saying their position was firmly grounded in Section 96 of Act 30. Adu Jamfi contended that the accused should not appear to stand trial when granted bail. The state attorney held that, looking at the violent nature of the accused when he was granted bail, he was likely to commit further offenses. Accused person, abusuan, yankai ni nyina said the esi den, said the esi etie. Accused person is very notorious landlord in Kasua and its environs. He is known as a very aggressive individual. Humbly, we believe that per his nature, when given the least opportunity, he would commit further offenses. The accused committed this offense whilst on bail in another matter. The accused committed the offense of murder in no other place than a police station. Abusuya, utimi use akwa ne ye wudi ni full time. Aya ben lord yi. Utimi use we ye wudi ni nipa bi say abusuya. Me ye mampani nya. Kyerese unim ye bekum ni bi. Yebekum ni bi na kwan a ye befa so akum kwasi ampa na bi say bi no akum. Akabe shock Ghana fo nyina. Ya de be 2 months. And ye be kumuno, because ye me kumu show. A match as a bushia, o me ye be kumun kakanka said there be a beard, ube Philippine ankasa, ye be the kind abubu 9 abubu unsa, anches in case of anything, or by your own so digimino, ye hankofu, ye bebuno, na ka unipa dio kuntun sinino, naturally, ya shed ye be den, ye be ye kuntun sinino, ye would dini. He was on bail. And at Bushia was also committed a crime no a police station, which must say wicked man. Yanshe or say the accused committed this offenses so on bail. The accused committed offenses murder in no other place than the police station. Based on this, we have no reason to believe that evidence before the court was overwhelming, and when granted bail, accused will not appear to stand trial. The state attorney submitted. Abusian na kyerese a state attorney no anya na adwen said obeja ben lord amana kokra yento aso said ye esi ekosi yen. O say the high court has ordered the accused to remain in prison custody for 2 weeks. Abebio and Jiche have been charged with conspiracy, whilst Abebio is facing an additional charge of murder. Jache is on the 1 million bail with 2 sureties to be justified. On April 30th, 2024, at around 1,600 hours, Les Corporal Michael Danso and 2 other colleagues were a case no said the city no de mojidie semu nyina munim said the case no esi ate enti emprempem de anka koi ekofa akire apri bail said the beya kobenya niti ayeden adidim ana court akira ne say wa jimia enya womoso what asien yes enti court adinai wonua bail ayese won kotwim 2 weeks for Chesebusian, another a year you follow the besi, and the baby and the babrem or in platform. So, so for amazing, aka you talk too much in here. Abusian, Mamifa will in see a hasi.